This is the cheap cable that came with my Samsung Galaxy phone. It's longer, 3 feet. Before we were up around 1 amp. There we go. Give it a second. And that's it. That big of a difference in terms of how much current is able to go through this cable here. It's about half the current. That's amazing. Guessing that's just a result of the combined resistance of the traces on the circuit board of the Wi-Fi card, the extra length of this cable, the quality of the cable. But anyone who's having trouble getting the rated power output from their Wi-Fi adapters, you definitely want to look at the cabling to make sure it's right. Hope this helps. Cheers.